Just a fun little day. Enjoying the hot, nice, sunny weather. It's not raining, and we enjoy the heat. But we're just gonna go for a nice bike ride. So welcome in with your favorite interracial couple.
Yeah, the fix.
We are the fix. Well, just drive around the park, and we got a nice bike trail here. So just enjoy a little afternoon pedaling. There we go.
Matches my bonnet. Oh, no, it's not a test. Only the best.
You even told them where we at?
We are at Rendlake. I'm in Benton, Cesar, Illinois. Just a man-made lake. Got some nice woodsy areas and some trails, and it's got a nice area.
Yeah. I feel so tired already. I don't think we rode for like a mile yet, but I'm already tired. And I think it's because of the hills. I don't know how to ride a bike. No, I take that back. I know how to ride a bike, but I'm not good at it. I came to learn how to ride a bike here in the US. He taught me, so that is really cool. I can ride, but I'm not able to stand on the bike. So if I'm climbing a hill, I have to get down and then walk, you know. That is so stressful. So we are taking a rest. Just feels so nice. Enjoying nature, the breeze,
Yep.
and the white bunny over there.
So we can get him in the camera here.
Your finger is in the way.
There he is.
Right there.
Nice little bunny.
Yeah.
Well, a little rest and then we'll bike some more.
This is so fun. It's a busy day today at the beach. We are done riding the bike and we are heading to the bathroom to change. It's a busy day. I haven't seen the place so busy. Okay, I think we've never come here during the summer, right?
No, we haven't been.
Yeah.
Well, just enjoying a day at the Sandusky beach. Having Pearl get a little more adapted and used to the water without feeling terrified. Let's see. Okay, enjoying the hot sand and cool waves.
Yep.
Yeah.
Airplanes with my